Remember this one thing. A promotion without backing is rarely an opportunity. Most of the time, it is a setup. You think you have been noticed, but in reality, you have just been selected. Selected for what? To take the pressure, to take the blame, to be consumed. The moment people hear the word promotion, they get excited. They think, finally, it is my turn. Finally, I made it. But ask yourself one question: why you? There are people with more experience than you. There are people with stronger connections than you. There are people who are better at navigating politics than you. So why does this so-called opportunity land on you? Do you really think you are that irreplaceable? Wake up. Sometimes it is not because you are strong. It is because you are convenient. What does convenient mean? Capable enough to get things done, but with no strong backing. Hardworking but not rebellious. Responsible but with no real leverage. This kind of person is perfect to promote, because you are useful and disposable. So what happens after you step up? You think you are now in charge, but in reality, you are just the shield. Resources are not given to you. People do not listen to you. Cross-team collaboration? No one really cares. You try to push things forward and people say, I am busy too. And just like that, you hit a wall. But when things go wrong, everyone turns to you and says, this is your responsibility. You are now stuck. Pressure from above, no support from below. People around you waiting for you to fail. You spend every day fixing problems. But the truth is, this game was never meant for you to win, and the worst part. You start doubting yourself. You think, maybe I am not capable enough. Maybe I am not good at this. Maybe I do not deserve this position. No, it is not that you are not good enough. It is that the game was never designed for you to succeed. Now look at those people with backing. They also lead projects. They also take responsibility, but notice the difference. One sentence from them and resources appear. One phone call and things move. Even when they make mistakes, someone steps in to protect them, and you fight for every inch while they move effortlessly. At the end, they are seen as capable and you are seen as weak. Is that fair? No. But that is how the system works. The workplace is not just about hard work. It is about who stands behind you, what resources you can mobilize, and whether you are worth protecting. So learn this: do not get blinded by the word promotion. There are two kinds of opportunities. One that lifts you and one that exposes you. How do you tell the difference? Ask yourself 3 questions. Are the resources aligned with the responsibility? Will anyone support you when it matters? Is there someone who will speak for you if things go wrong? If the answers are unclear, then be careful, because this is not a promotion. This is a planned failure. Many people ruin their careers here. They were stable before, doing fine. Then they stepped up, and within months, they collapsed and got labeled not capable. Once that label sticks, it is very hard to recover, so stay clear-headed. Not every upward move is worth taking. Sometimes what looks like a step up is actually a push off a cliff. The biggest mistake ordinary people make is trying to prove something. Prove they are capable. Prove they deserve more. Prove they can go higher. But truly mature people do something different. They choose their battlefield. Some games you lose the moment you enter. The smartest move is not to fight, but not to enter. Remember this: do not take on something you cannot carry. But more importantly, some burdens are impossible to carry, no matter how strong you are. One last truth: safety is more valuable than promotion. When you truly understand this, you will stop being impressed by titles. You will start looking at structure, at people, at resources. And eventually, you will realize some opportunities are not meant to make you. They are meant to eliminate you.